speaks with a pronounced American accent? Accent, do you know? The way of speaking, font of speaking. Okay, accent, the style of speaking. Right. Accent, she proudly parades her Russian nationality. Clearing all doubts, she says, I am Russian. It's true that the USA is a big part of my life because she was as she has come to USA from her early age, okay, and she was taking training there, okay. So she said that as she has spent a big time of her life in USA, but actually she belongs to Russian nationality, okay. So but I have Russian citizenship and my blood is totally Russian. I will play the Olympic for Russia if they want me. Like any number of teenage sensations, Maria Sharapova lists fashion, singing and dancing as her hobbies. She loves reading and novels of author Conan Doyle. Okay. So explanation was clear or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? Still give the answers of these questions.
Yes.
What is Maria's nationality?
Russian.
Okay, and why people ask that she was not Russian? Why the people's opinion was about it? That she was like she's accent was totally different.
Because she was living in the US.
Like she used and follow American accent. Why people say like that? Because she has spent much time of her life in
USA.
Okay. Okay, next question. What does she say about the United States of America? What does she say about it? That America is a big part of her life, right? And what are her hobbies?
Dancing, singing,
And
reading
reading
books,
the
author का नाम
author Conan Doyle.
Okay, and what especially she said about Russia?
मैम
If Russia asks her to play Olympic from their side, she will play.
Yeah, if they will be agree and they will give a chance to her to play, so definitely she will be playing for Russia also. Okay.
तो खेलेगी वो
Yes.
खेलेगी
It was. Which kind of novels does she like to read? Does Maria Sharapova like to read?
Loves.
She likes to read novels of.
loves
What is the name of that person?
Conan
Conan Doyle.
Doyle.
Okay. Next.
Conan Doyle.
Come to the next stanza of the poem. Open the poem extracts. Yes. It takes much time to kill a tree, not a simple jab of knife. What does it mean by jab?
मैम कट
Cutter, blade.
मैम जो
of,
पेड़
knife.
काटने में
Okay. And will do it. It has grown, slowly consuming the earth rising out of it, feeding upon its crust and absorbing years of sunlight, air, water, and out of its leprous hide sprouting leaves. What does it mean by leprous? Leprous. Leprous hide means discolored bark. Discolored bark.
बार
छाल
छाल दे रही थी.
जो आउटर एरिया
अच्छा मैम जो पेड़ की छाल
का, yes. Okay. So can we kill a tree with the only the jab of a knife?
No, ma'am.
सिर्फ वन अटैक से हम कट कर सकते हैं ट्री
No, ma'am.
नाइफ के.
खून निकला हुआ है उससे.
That is where the author has compared that white color pulp of a tree like the human being's blood. Okay, as a cut on human's body, what has the tree been consuming?
Yes, ma'am.
What has the tree been consuming? Yes.
From sunlight, water from the earth.
What are these?
These components.
For what?
And for
Nice.
For
growing.
the nourishment of a tree, right? It takes some nutrition from these things.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, what has the tree been absorbing?
Sunlight, water.
Sunlight, water. Upon it.
It's feeding itself and absorbing
Air.
years of sunlight and
Air.
water and air.
Yeah.
Very good. Next, what does leprous hide mean? Discolored bark. Okay. So, hack and chop. What does mean by hack?
Ma'am,
Hack.
cutting and piece.
Cut into small pieces. Okay. Cut a thing into
Small pieces.
hack and chop. But this alone won't do it. What does mean by this line? That but this alone won't it.
Ma'am, a single jab of knife.
That simply if you are the just hacking and chopping the tree, that will not be sufficient to kill a tree, right? Not so much pain will do it. The bleeding bark will heal and from close to the ground will rise curved green twigs, miniature bogs, which if unchecked will expand again and to form a size. What does mean by form a size? A huge size. Means those twigs, the small twigs, and how these small twigs are created again? If you have ignored a tree by just giving a hacking and chopping it, okay, so it is not sufficient to kill a tree, okay, and in this way, but this alone won't do it, and not so much pain will do it. The bleeding bark will heal, and means whatever the white pulp is coming from out the tree when you cut it, okay, from its half, from its leprous height, जब आप इसको मिड से कट कर देते हैं, you didn't cut it from its root. ओके आपने इसको इसके रूट से नहीं बल्कि इसके मिड से, इसके तने पर कहीं से स्टेम को कट कर दिया है, देन व्हाट विल हैपन? द ब्लीडिंग bark will come out. Bleeding bark means here the author is comparing a tree like a human being and its white pulp that like come from its, like you cut it, okay, so he is comparing that thing with the blood of human body. Okay,
Some trees are giving green pulp.
yes.
And some trees are giving green pulp.
That is according to the depend on its structure. Okay, like if it is a plant or if it is a tree, and which kind of tree is this? So this is depend on their different species. Okay, that is the science thing. But we are talking about here the poetry,
English.
isn't it? So author is telling here because he is totally showing a tree like a human being. And he also feeling its pain like the human body's pain. Okay, when you cut in a body of humans, so definitely they will suffer the pain of this cut. Okay, so like this he is also describing a tree. That tree also face and feels the same pain. Okay, from this, and you know this bleeding bark, जो वो पल्प बाहर निकलता है white color का जो पल्प होता है, that will heal and nourish it again, and the small twigs will come out, will rise up. Okay, उससे जो वो ब्लीडिंग बार्क है जब वो नीचे जाएगा तो उससे फिर से नई नई ट्विग्स, ट्विग्स से मतलब क्या है, उसकी जो टहनियां हैं वो निकलना शुरू हो जाएंगी नीचे से, एंड आफ्टर दैट दे विल टेक अ huge size. Okay, form a size. What will happen to the bleeding bark?
It will heal back.
Bleeding bark will heal and grow back to its original size or original shape. Okay, what will rise from close to the ground? What will rise from close to the ground?
New plant.
Curved and very small. Curved and very small twigs, branches. Twigs means the branches of tree will curve and grow, okay, and will rise from the ground. How? When the bleeding bark will come to the earth, okay, ground, and close to the place where a tree has. Clear? What does mean the expression miniature box? What does mean by the expression miniature box? What does mean by this word? Yes. Tiny branches of a tree sprouted in outer area or surrounding it. Okay. And these twigs will create how? From where? From where you have hacked and chopped the tree. जहाँ से आपने ट्री को चॉप किया है और हैक किया है वहां से ये ट्विग्स निकलना शुरू हो जाएंगे एंड they will spread around the earth or ground. Okay. Which literary device is used in the bleeding bark will heal? Which literary device is used here? The bleeding bark will heal. Tell me the figure of a speech is used in this line. I had told you that day that you also have to use these figure of speech in your writing portions. Okay, especially in story writing. So are you learning these figure of speech? What are the definitions of figure of speech and what speeches are used in especially your poems? Tell me. Alliteration. What is alliteration? Yes, Abuzar. What is alliteration? Tell me what is repetition?
Repetition of a letter.
A letter or a word?
No word.
Okay. Repetition is called when a word is repeated in a line or a stanza. Okay. कि जब एक word repeat होता है उसको क्या कहते हैं? Repetition. And alliteration when a letter is repeat. Okay. Repetition of a letter in a sentence or a line or a stanza, right? That is called alliteration. So where is it?
Bleeding bark. BB.
BB. Very good. B is repeated here. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
No, the roots is to be pulled out of the anchoring earth. It is to be robbed, tied and pulled out, snapped out or pulled out entirely out from the earth cave and the strength of the tree exposed. What does it stand for? What does it stand for? You know this poem will come in your exams and I think you didn't do the revision of it still, right? Am I right or wrong? अभी तक आपने इसको easily लिया है और I think that you are not also paying attention on your study or explanation of the topics. Isn't it? कोई ध्यान दिया ही नहीं जा रहा ना अपने explanation पर. अभी तक मैं वही notice कर रही हूँ that explanation of this poem is not clear to you all. Why is it so? हर बार एक्सप्लेनेशन ही दिया जाएगा क्लास में. 2-3 बार पहले ही मैं इसको एक्सप्लेन कर चुकी हूँ ना. I had already explained this poem. Yes or not? So, what writer is saying about these lines? No, the root is not to be pulled out. If you didn't remove the tree's root from the earth. Okay, what does mean by anchoring here? Like the root is strongly attached with the earth. Okay. Cave जो अर्थ की गहराई में फैली हुई है. It is spread in the inside of the earth. Right? That is called the strongevity of a root. The grip of the root with the earth is called anchoring earth. जो उसने strongly catch cover किया हुआ है, gripped बनाई हुई है अर्थ में. That is called anchoring earth. Got it? Yes. And out of the anchoring earth, अगर आप उसकी anchoring जो वो जड़ें जमी हुई हैं strongly attached हैं अर्थ से, अगर आप उनको अलग कर देते हैं, so it is to be robbed, tied, जो वो बंधी हुई है वहां से बिल्कुल जकड़े हुए हैं उसको tightly, so and pulled out, snapped out, अगर उसको पूरी तरीके से उससे अलग कर दिया जाए, खींच लिया जाए और वहां से हटा दिया जाए, snap कर दिया जाए और pulled out entirely और पूरी तरीके से उखाड़ दिया जाए उस रूट को. कहां से? अर्थ से, जहां पर उसने अपना पूरी तरीके से टाइड अप किया हुआ है. अगर वहां से उसको पूरी तरीके से हटा दिया जाए आउट फ्रॉम दी अर्थ केव, अर्थ की उस गहराई से, मतलब केव बना करके उसके अंदर से उसको पूरा निकाल दिया जाए बाहर. एंड द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ अ ट्री एक्सपोज, दैट टाइम यू विल बी एबल टू किल अ ट्री. Is it clear? So explanation is clear. Means in this way the tree, if tree's root has exposed from the earth, then the tree has killed. Right? Okay, what does it stand for? It.
Tree.
Very good. It stands for
Tree.
tree. And how is it to be pulled out?
by uproot.
Is to be robbed. रस्सियों से बांध करके, ठीक है, टाइड अप करके इसको उखाड़ दिया जाए, pulled out and snapped out from the earth. Completely pulled out from the
अर्थ के
earth cave. Yes. Next, how is the strength of a tree exposed? The same thing. Because the roots of a tree widespread in the earth cave, right? So when it is pulled out entirely from the earth cave, then definitely the strength of a tree will be exposed, right? And what does explain the phrase anchoring earth in your own words? As I had already told you the meaning of it. Anchoring earth means
Ma'am,
the earth anchor
the tree's root.
the roots of a tree in the earth, right? Inside the ground, inside the earth or inside the ground, and nourish it. वहीं से वो नरिश करती है ना इसको with water and nutritions like it gets from air and sunlight. Okay, so if you will pull out it entirely from the earth cave, so definitely it will be exposed and it will be killed by it, right?